Imagine landing on a beach or having a plane waiting in the surf. Amphibious aircraft are engineered for dual worlds. They touch down on runways or open water with equal precision. No seaports, no runways required. In remote locations, they become lifelines. For island resorts, they're arrival and escape. In disaster zones, they're the first in. This is a novelty. It's a raw capability. They carry passengers, cargo, medics, or aid, wherever the map says inaccessible. Amphibious platforms aren't defined by convenience, defined by what they make possible. Amphibious flight isn't luxury or adventure. It's engineering that turns the Earth's edges into options and take off from anywhere.